Alright guys, yeah, I'm gonna take a little stroll right now around the neighborhood here. It's been a while since I took a little walk around, but there's a little Apple market here that sells clothes and I don't know what, vegetables, and what else do they sell? What else do they sell?
Clothes.
Just clothes, vegetables, household items. Yeah, things like that. We want to go up here and looking for a few things, so we're going to head up here and check it out and try to find some stuff. Got the local basketball team here. Oh, oh. Out of bounds. Who is that?
Celebrity.
Oh, Hannah Grace is a celebrity?
Yeah, we are the bodyguard.
Oh, we're the bodyguard. All right. Can we get your autograph?
Say hi.
Say hi, Hannah Grace.
Hi.
Here comes Jackie. Come on, Jackie.
Anong tinawag mo sa mama mo? Ano daw? Pupunta daw sana kasi kaso daw sabi baka...
Meow meow. Hi meow meow. Jump rope.
1, 2, 3, go!
Jump rope. Now you're shy. We're trying to figure out what this is here on this tree. Some type of fruit. That's the tree right there. Oh, that's not fruit. Okay. Okay, I was told that's not fruit and you can't eat it. But it's pretty neat, whatever it is.
I know this is a pine tree, but we called it like small coconut in my hometown. I don't know how we call it here.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Trying to figure it out. This road they recently paved. It's really nice. I wish they would come down our road and pave our road. Somebody's selling clothes here, look.
Huh?
Clothes sale here, second hand.
Ukay-ukay.
Ukay-ukay.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Huh?
What's that mean?
Ukay-ukay, second hand.
Second hand. Ukay-ukay.
Ukay-ukay.
This house here, when I was up here a couple months ago, this house here was standing. Since has burned down.
What?
Some beautiful flowers here. Alright guys, unfortunately I'm going to have to put some music over this little market that we're at because they have what do you call it? Hello. They have copyright music playing, and that's a no-no when it comes to YouTube. So gonna have to put some music on it. So enjoy the little apple. What you buying, Lut?
I'm buying
Scrubby.
Scrunch punch.
Scrunch. To scrub dishes.
Scratch. Piting ko na yung mukha mo eh. Kanina ko pa.
And almost had an accident here in the intersection. Some guy was coming through, he was looking at me, waving, and he was filming. Somebody was coming the other way, two people on a motorbike, and the guy waving at me wasn't paying attention, and man, they almost clipped each other. Man, I would have felt bad if that would have happened, because technically it would have been my fault, you know. Well, not really, but I would have felt bad, trust me. Meow meow. Meow meow. Cat just hanging out on a tree stump. These are some nice apartments through here also. Have their own carport, their own little unit, air conditioning's up there. Some on this side also. Couldn't tell you how much they get for these, but they're pretty nice. I don't know if you can buy them or rent them.
For sale.
Well, it says for sale, but I'm sure they rent them out also.
I think this is like
I don't know.
on.
Other, I think there's, yeah, that's apartments back in here too. It's pretty nice. Got the Christmas decorations up. Check out the yellow house. Lut really likes that because she likes the color yellow. That's a very bright house. I think it's cool looking.
Put that in your bag.
There's an old Humvee. What's that? Yeah, there's a lot of nice apartments back in here. That's the thing, when you walk around back here in some of these side roads, there's a lot of nice apartments back in here. Hello. Here's a fortress right here. Nah, just kidding. I don't know. It's somebody's house, I guess. There's doors right there. Wall with ivy on it. Some nice flowers up top.
Try to figure it out, you know. Person can figure this out is very smart, but I'm not that really smart to figure this out.
We picked up a Rubik's Cube, as you can see. And Hannah Grace was playing with it at first. Jackie was playing with it. Now Luis is playing with it.
Well, if I obsess something, I will do that the rest of my life just to make this one.
Siguro kasi tinanan mo siya, tas ganon, tas ganon.
A note taking off the stickers.
Sabi ko sa'yo, tignan ko kasi ayaw mo. Ay, tignan mo. Ano, tignan tayo.
Alright guys, we're up here and we've seen this place, house for rent. And we want to check it out. See how much they want for it.
Ilang room ka, kuya?
Hang on, I'm gonna look back here. This is all nice big open back in here. Guess this is a outside wet kitchen without a sink. This is the kitchen area, living room area here. Pretty nice size.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Nice size, huh?
That's good.
CR. Two bedroom.
Two bathroom, sir.
Two bathroom, two bedroom.
It's the master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
Kayo nakatira.
Has its own bathroom back here.
Dalawang aircon.
Yeah, I figured I was there and I seen the house for rent. I figured I'd stop and ask and see how much. Two bedroom, one floor, big area in the back, a little carport area. He told me 18,000 pesos at first and told me it was negotiable. And then I asked him the second time and he said, well, call the number, he wasn't sure. So, but yeah, they wanted 18,000 pesos for that. Does need some work. But I figured, you know what, I'm there, I'm gonna check it out. All right, that's gonna wrap up the walk. Hang on, get in the picture, Lut. What are your thoughts?
What I thought?
What are your thoughts?
I don't have an idea. My thought is I'm just buying clothes, that's all.
That's her thought. Her thought is she's just buying clothes.
Oh, I have a thought.
What's
I
your
don't like
thought?
that house.
She don't like the house. Why?
First, the kitchen is too small,
Uh-huh.
and the second is it's a lot of work on it, and it's kind of old house. So for the price that they told us, I don't really think that it works that way.
All right. The boss has spoken.